Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am decluttering and organizing my junk drawer, which has gotten completely out of hand. It's gotten to the point where I just cannot find anything anymore and it really needs some attention. So first things first, I'm gonna take everything out of the drawer and give it a really good wipe down. Next, I'm gonna go through every little thing here and decide whether I wanna keep it or toss it, and then organize all the items into specific piles. So I saw this neat little clothespin hack online on how to store your earbuds so they won't be in a tangled mess every time you go to use them. And since I have a lot of them, I thought it would be perfect to try, and it actually worked out great. So for this hack, all you do is hot glue two clothespins together just so that they are open on each end. Now that the clothespins are glued together, all you do is open one end and secure the earpieces, then wrap the cord around the middle, and then lastly secure the other end. After going through everything, here are all of the things that I'm going to keep and put back into the drawer. I've organized everything into separate piles just to help me figure out how I want to put everything into bins. I also bought this plastic file pocket with a fastener just to store all my important paper items to keep those all together. For the bins, I'll be using these two bins with the gray rubber bottom that I already had, and I think those came from TJ Maxx. And I also bought these small bins from Dollar General. They were on clearance for $5, and they were also an extra 50% off that day, so I got them for $2.50, which was a steal. And now for my favorite part, it's time to put everything back. And that's it for my junk drawer declutter. I hope you are in love with this transformation as much as I am. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on videos like this in the future. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.